A registered voter residing at a current address inside or outside the Choctaw Nation boundaries may vote by a mail-in ballot or in person for an affiliated council district, chief's election, or constitutional amendment election. Step 1. A voter will receive an official election ballot packet at their current address on record with voter registration. This packet includes a step-by-step instruction sheet for completing the ballot and official secret ballot displaying the candidates and/or questions. A separate ballot envelope used to keep voted ballots private, and a pre-addressed, postage-paid, official election ballot envelope with affidavit for returning ballots to the election board. During the formal tallying process, the outer envelope will be removed from the secret ballot envelope to maintain privacy of members' votes. Step 2. Mark your official ballot by completing the arrow next to your choice using blue or black ink. Step 3. Fold your official election ballot and place it into the ballot envelope. Then seal the envelope. Step 4. Read and sign the affidavit on the back of the official election ballot envelope. The affidavit is for a member to confirm their eligibility to vote. It is important to remember that you must sign the affidavit for your vote to be counted. Step 5. Place the ballot envelope into the official election ballot envelope. Then seal the envelope. Step 6. Place the pre-addressed postage-paid envelope in the mail. All ballots mailed must be received and processed by the City of Durant Post Office before the tribal election date in order to be counted. A specific deadline will be communicated in the official election ballot packet. Ballots will be stored at the post office until the official pickup date by the election board. The election board will be accompanied by the tribal police and any watchers appointed by candidates to observe the process. Ballots will be held under lock and key by the election board until such time as the official ballot tallying process begins.
Yo, hey, ha, yo, ha, ha, na, ya, ho, yo.